Hello my fellow learners, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jaya Yadav and in this video I will be discussing about procedure for obtaining import license as per Indian MDR 2017. This procedure will be applicable for all medical devices which are notified under CDSU. So first of all, you have to classify your medical device. As I've discussed in my previous video, the medical devices will be classified as class A, B, C or D. So I'll provide a link of this video in comment section for your further reference of classification. Now next step is to appoint an authorized agent in India. Now the authorized agent means a person including any firm or organization who has been appointed by an overseas manufacturer through a power of attorney to undertake import of medical devices in India. Now one of the mandatory requirements for authorized agent that the authorized agent shall have a valid manufacturing license or wholesale license issued by CDSU. So there are two scenarios as per requirements of clinical investigation. First case, if a free sale certificate is already been issued by a national regulatory authority or other competent authorities of other countries, namely European Union countries, US, Australia, Canada or Japan, then the import license shall be granted to the applicant without carrying out clinical investigation in India. In second case, if a medical device is imported from countries other than mentioned above, then for class A and B, the license will be granted only after its safety and effectiveness has been established through published safety and performance data or through clinical investigation which has been carried out in country of origin. Along with it, you have to submit the free sale certificate of country of origin. But for class C and D, the safety and effectiveness has to be established through clinical investigation which is conducted in India. So next about registering your organization, you have to register your organization on online system for medical devices. So this is the web page wherein you can carry out registration. So now let's see the document requirement for the application. So as per 4th schedule of Indian MDR, the documents which are required for the application are power of attorney, undertaking from authorized agent, notarized copy of overseas manufacturing site, notarized copy of quality management system certificate or full assurance certificate or production quality assurance certificate, authorized agent self-attested copy for valid wholesale license or manufacturing license issued by CDSU, copy of latest inspection or audit report carried out by notified body or national regulatory authority or competent authority within last 3 years, constitution details of domestic manufacturer or authorized agent, site or plant master file, device master file, essential principles checklist, undertaking signed stating that the manufacturing site is in compliance with the provisions of the 5th schedule of Indian MDR, copy of ISO 13485 certificate of manufacturer, copy of CE certificate of manufacturer, copy of IFUs, clinical investigation report and free sale certificate. Now let's look into the actual application process. So authorized agent has to make an application in the form MD14 on online medical device portal. The application shall be accompanied with the fees as specified in the second schedule of Indian MDR along with the respective documents that we have discussed earlier. On receipt of the application, the Central Licensing Authority may cause an inspection of the overseas manufacturing site, either by itself or by any other person or body to whom the power has been delegated for this purpose. So within a period of 9 months from the date of application and after examination of documents furnished with the application and on the basis of inspection report, the Central Licensing Authority, on being satisfied, grant license in Form MD15 or it may reject such application for which reasons shall be recorded in writing. In the event of the rejection, the applicant may appeal to the central government within a period of 45 days. Now, in case of investigational medical devices or new in vitro diagnostic medical devices which has novel features, the applicant shall obtain prior permission in Form MD27 or in Form MD29 respectively from the Central Licensing Authority and no license to import for any class of such medical devices shall be granted without such permission. A license granted by CDSCO shall remain valid in perpetuity, provided the authorized agent deposits the license retention fee upon completion of every 5 years from the date of its issue. So this is all about import license. If you have any questions, please comment below. Also, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.